Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite channel My Future. We guide, you glide. My name is Jineesh Gaur and I'll be guiding you all throughout your international undergraduate application process from starting till end. My main focus will be on admissions in USA, Canada and Australia, which are of course the most popular destinations for international students. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to watch amazing educational content we make just for you. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for daily updates and facts, whose link is provided in the description. The basic and the most important factor with anything is the information, and that is the problem with international students. They don't get enough information at one site. They get involved at various websites to collect all the information, and there is also no guarantee that that information is correct and verified. Now, since I have applied and got admissions in many universities worldwide, I'll be able to provide you the correct and verified information and clear each and every doubt which once I also had. In the upcoming video, I'll be discussing topics like where to apply, which exams to take, ACT or SAT, TOEFL or IELTS, what should be your budget, how to increase your scholarship chances and all. Also, I'll be shortly uploading interviews of my friends who got into universities like MIT, Harvard and all, so you can get a better idea of your admission chances in those universities.